Charcoal to me is a revolution that can bring about revolution in agriculture. Properly used, biocharcoal can make farmers very rich. We like to improve the condition of the soil, condition of water, air. How to achieve these three major things? Soil can be enriched much more with human intervention. We have seen the results of using biocharcoal, and a lot of research has been going on in many countries. It's not that we are the pioneer, no. There are many people who are using biocharcoal. We have seen here doubling, tripling of the crops, as well as seeing the health of our trees. Second thing we do is inject almost every 2 weeks buttermilk. Dahi we call curd or yogurt. We keep it about 10-15 bucket full of this dahi. Put it in the tanker, tractor tanker. Let it ferment for 10 days. Put about 2000 liters of water, 40 kilos of brown sugar, and additional nutrients along with some bacteria and mycorrhiza. Every 2 weeks we inject it into soil around all these trees. Now and then when they're about to fruit, we give the foliar spray of organic matter that increases the quality of flowers and fruits. And all these things are done through solar. We have made a small cart, we put a drum on it. In this drum we mix all these organic fertilizers, and on top we have the solar panel with the pump. And with this pump, either we use it as an injection into the soil or spray it on the tree. So there is no consumption of electricity or diesel fuel also. There is no pollution because of all that. Water, not a drop of water goes out of this place. In fact, the roadside water from the surrounding area, we have created canals in such a way that they are given inlet into the ashram. We have deepened all the ponds, made them wider, and as the water flows every 50 feet, we have created pits, and these pits are filled with cow dung and this charcoal, etc. When they remain filled, it percolates sideways also, and as it goes down, it charges the water and increases the ground water table. Overflow will go into the ponds. You can all see how we collect the water from the roadside and allow it to go to pits and finally to the ponds. Charcoal to me is a revolution that can bring about revolution in agriculture. Properly used, biocharcoal can make farmers very rich. And what is the cost of it? 4,000 rupees a ton if you have to buy it from outside. But instead of burning the crop after the end of the season, convert it into charcoal and use it. So you don't even have to buy it. Year after year, you can convert your unused produce into charcoal as well as compost. Compost can be accelerated into decomposting through proper use of bacteria. Now science is so ahead. Where in my village I used to see some waste, food waste and other stuff, they used to throw it in one pit, and it would take 1 year before it can become usable compost. But with the modern research, all this green or brown waste or kitchen waste, it can be converted into a good compost in 3 weeks. So we don't have to really go into heavy duty fertilizers. We can become self-reliant, self-dependent by learning few new techniques through the researches which are going on in various universities.